it's Keegan. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a vlog of a quick little I don't even know if I pronounced that wrong, but like in my head it sounded wrong. So today's vlog is going to be a quick little weekend trip. Dote, if you guys don't know what Dote is, it's basically a shopping app. If you haven't heard of them, are you living under a rock? But they invited me and a bunch of other creators to go to Disneyland with them, and that is just so exciting. Thank you so much, Dote, for inviting me. I don't know why they think I'm cool enough, because I'm definitely not, but I'm not gonna tell them that. I just really wanted to thank you guys so much, because being on YouTube and doing all of this and having you guys as an audience and as friends and everything like that has just given me so many amazing opportunities, and it's like really found my passion. Like, I would not be a marketing major if it wasn't for YouTube. Thank you guys so much for just always being so supportive and just being the best audience and friends. And like, you guys are everything to me, and I just really wanted to say thank you and I love you. Okay, I'm gonna leave for the airport soon. I need chapstick. I don't know where I put her. Oh, it's right here. Okay, I'm kind of like technologically challenged. I cannot figure out how to get my boarding pass. Since Dote like planned the trip, they booked the plane and everything, so like I have the confirmation number, but like my boarding pass is like not showing up. I thought it'd be fun to show you guys my outfit just because like I'm bored waiting to leave for the airport. My shirt and then leggings are both like workout stuff. They're from Old Navy, and the shirt actually like ties in the back, kind of cute. And then I just have this jean jacket on from Rue 21 because it's kind of cold. Here's my suitcase. There's just like my bra right there, but like I brought shorts. And you're out of focus. Okay, cool. You're back. It's supposed to be like 60 degrees, which is like freezing to me who lives in Arizona.
Fellow passenger Perez, passenger.
Hey.
I'm not ready yet.
Good morning. We're late. Hey guys. Here's our food. I'm really jealous of your plate actually though. Like I'm jealous of it. We're all sitting here waiting to go to Disney. Does anyone want to say hello? Just like all my pretty friends. And then there's so many people here. Where did Kiara go? She just like bolted. She just kind of swerved right out. Everyone else is vlogging, so I feel peer pressure too. Look at the beautiful cardboard castle. Brittany's face. They're apparently under reconstruction. Like at least you know there'll be good lighting and it won't be shadowy. True. My man Walt, they're right here. Okay, there's people just like right there. Seriously?
Oh,
okay.
Really cute.
Okay, thank you. But they're taking photos and they look so hot. And you're just the prettiest person I've ever seen in my entire life. Oh wait. Can you see? Okay. Delta, Omicron, Tau, Epsilon, our sorority that I just created. It's gonna be nationally chartered. We'll get it chartered real quick, real fast. Just read it through. We're going on the teacup ride, and we're gonna try to get pictures. Go crazy, go stupid. Gabby was standing on this horse, and they literally stopped the ride and kicked her off. And I think we just said the same thing. How cute. Love that for us. Where are you, a big horse girl? Big horse girl.
Okay, so basically over here we have a JoJo Siwa. She's recreating herself. So we just did a little reenactment. She's making sure the pony is nice and high. It is. I think it looks really good.
JoJo really has it.
Yeah, she really flicks it.
Girl knows how to do a pony.
Yeah. And the bow goes in. We don't have the full bow, but this is gonna work. Yeah. See? Okay, wait. Now you need to turn your head more that way.
Okay, I need to like, okay. I'm trying to get it a little. Oh my god, JoJo! Oh my god! When she tilts your head down, oh my god.
The tilting.
Okay, this one. Okay, that's our recreation.
Okay, that's what we're going for. Oh yeah, girl, yeah.
Kiara just starts taking pizza before I even, whatever. I guess the first date's not going very well, so I guess I'm not really nervous anymore because we're not really going well. Just kidding, I love you. So we finally have free time, so now I have no idea what we're doing.
We're going to get a pass for Pirates of the Caribbean. No, Indiana.
Then we're going to Pirates. Which we're going to the Pirates Caribbean like dinner place for dinner tonight. And I'm really excited. So many cute kids, and I don't want a baby, but like they're cute, and I want one, but I don't. Here's our view. We're next in line for Pirates. Hey.
What's wrong with my voice?
Gabby's in my sorority. Where the heck? Yeah. Oh, we're going in. Oh no, I don't want to get wet. Woo! We're eating there tonight. That's where we're eating. I literally just got so much water up my butt right now.
I love that about you.
Oh my god, it's literally so much. Gabby, what did you just say? Oh, you literally can't even see you at all. You're just like pitch black.
Well, anyway. Keegan was wondering why the camera wasn't focusing, and I said because all the focus should be on me.
Okay, update.
We're in the gift shop.
We're just in the gift shop.
We're in the gift shop. Just checking it out.
We just took some pictures. You want a men's shirt?
I like men's shirts.
They're comfier.
And they're more, they're
way comfier.
And like, okay.
Guys, let's all get these.
Those are
Oh,
They're really cute.
so sunny, but we're literally just sitting here waiting for people to go to the bathroom, and then we're gonna ride Matterhorn. Hopefully, it's like a 60-minute line, so hopefully we can do like single
We're trying
rider.
to finesse it so we
Finesse
can
the system. That is how you do Disney.
Pretty much.
Weather is really nice.
I know.
It's a
Actually,
little
it's
sunny.
so comfortable.
I like would lay out and tan.
But when the sun goes down, we're probably gonna be cold.
Oh, I brought a sweater. So
You're smart.
you can share my sweater. We can put it on together. It's kind of big.
yeah.
Maybe you too. Maybe we could all do it.
that.
We're in line for Thunder Mountain. I just met 2 subscribers. Their names are Marina and Hallie, and they were the freaking nicest people ever. And I should have asked them to be in the vlog, and I'm just stupid and forgot. But hi for watching this. You were so nice. Okay. We're in the Matterhorn. Don't get the camera wet. Ready? Ready for the drop? I'm trying to get everyone in it, but it's really hard. There's so many of us. Oh, pretty! Oh, look at the goat! I think I'm done vlogging for this. I really left her ears on the ride, and oh, there's so many people. We're just like running away from all of them. How did you get so wet? The Splash Mountain or the Matterhorn?
Oh no.
If I'm ever rich one day, this is what I expect my house to look like.
Okay.
Yeah, I expect to live, especially with the little.
My room's gonna be that one, the tall one,
Right there. Okay, mine will be the one next to yours.
Oh my God,
and we'll be BFFs, okay?
Will we? I thought we already were.
When we're rich, we're both gonna live together, combine our net worth, and then
we'll live in a White House like this.
with gold interior and decor. It'll match our Instagram feeds. It'll be great. Everyone's getting souvenirs, and Kiara's looking for a pin for her collection.
So cute. Look at this pink.
Oh! Gosh, we just literally. Do you want to talk or should I talk?
You talk.
Okay, Kiara just found her Pirates of the Caribbean
This is
pins.
what I needed.
Because this is her first time going on the ride.
Yeah. So
Which
I
one?
needed to find the Pirates pin.
Which one do we like? Or you? It has nothing to do with me. Oh my god.
Pirate of a Bling thing. Oh wait, this is cute. Hooked on the pirate's life.
Oh my
Wait,
gosh.
that could be fun.
The most angelic person I've ever met taking photos. If we're you heard that? And look at the most realistic castle you've ever seen. That's cardboard. Such good lighting. And Kiara's a photographer.
I'm really not.
Shut up. Oh my gosh. Remember when I said the most angelic person? I meant the most angelic person. If we're just being real. We're at the restaurant inside the Pirates of the Caribbean, and they have our pictures and everything. Okay, I don't know where my name is. They're so cute though. Where's mine? Am I next to Kiara? Oh my god, yeah. Look at this. Oh my god, are these necklaces? Oh my gosh. This. You literally cannot see this, but they gave us all these cute necklaces, and mine's so out of focus, which is so cute. It's cute, I promise. Look at our. Ooh, Kiara was literally taking a video as I'm talking. Look at our yummy little meals. That looks delicious. Yum, just like you. That was like too much, sorry. Look at like the mood. Like, are we entangled or Pirates of the Caribbean? Also, like, is it wrong that I like want to walk to the edge and just like look at people like riding the ride? Can we? I'll be down.
I'll do that when I sing.
Yeah. Oh, it literally just ends right as I start recording. We're going to Space Mountain. Oh my gosh. We were jamming out to like Elsa and some weird
Kids Box.
Yes, okay. We were talking about this. We were like, what song is this? But I feel like it'd be on Kids Box. Right? You know? Like, I for some reason thought the fireworks show was like a 30-40 minute long thing.
Yeah.
But like, we were jamming. And
That's good. I'm so glad we didn't miss the Elsa part because that's my favorite.
oh my god, we were like, yes, Elsa. We just keep getting yelled at by everyone. We're just going to Space Mountain. See you there. We are literally holding on to each other's like bags. How cute is this?
We're in kindergarten.
Yes. We're holding in kindergarten on that little rope. Great leader, you're doing amazing.
I had a lot of practice.
Oh.
Had to go through kindergarten with you.
Oh my gosh, I used to like thrive being the line leader.
Oh yeah.
We're in Space Mountain. Are you ready?
I'm so excited.
Woo!
So pumped. Love this ride.
Ride buddies for life. Okay.
Forever.
Yes, forever and ever. Okay, go. Woo!
So
just finished. Maddie and I literally were going the entire ride for the picture because we didn't know where it was. We didn't know, so the entire ride we were like, excuse me, we're going to look at our picture. I'm blind. Wait, why is, oh my god. That's beautiful. I look like I'm having the time of my life. Wait, Gabby, where are you? Gabby, wait, I want to see you. I don't know where it is. Guys, what's the right song? Oh my god, look at Gabby. Oh my gosh. What do you say about that? I'm embarrassed. We're in the storybook ride.
It looks a little dark and scary. You have nothing to be worried about.
Oh.
It doesn't matter if you're a prince or a street rat. Love will always come out on top, and they lived happily ever after, in the top of the Sultan's palace. Starry archways is where love blooms. In fact, these are the same archways that Aladdin and Jasmine flew over, sideways, and under.
I got your butthole lift on my camera. We're in the Finding Nemo ride, and I just like don't know if we're actually going under or if they just make fake bubbles. Oh, that's good. I don't remember her name. So it is the next day now. I literally look insane. My flight was delayed for so many hours and I had like a meeting right after. It was like a whole thing. But I was really sad last night and I just did not want to end the vlog because I was just so like in denial about like going home and leaving. But I just wanted to thank Dote again so much. Like this was like one of the best weekends I've ever had. All the girls, if they're watching this, I don't know, but like thank you for just being so like genuinely nice and just like always hyping each other up, and it was just genuinely like such a good moment. I feel like sometimes like influencers and like YouTubers can have like this big head and they think they're like the best thing ever, and I really did not feel that way with any of the girls that went. They were all just genuinely so amazing, genuine, real, great people, and so were everyone that works for Dote. So thank you guys so much again for inviting me. I love you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.